If LDPlayer feels mostly smooth, but you keep noticing tiny hiccups, little freezes, frame skips, or jitter, yeah, that's micro stutter. It's subtle, but it makes games feel bad fast. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix LDPlayer Micro Stutter step by step in 2026. Let's get into it. First, restart your PC. After it boots up, don't open extra apps. Launch LDPlayer first. Microstutter often comes from tiny background tasks waking up randomly. Now open LDPlayer and click the gear icon on the right side to open settings. Go to the Advanced or Performance tab. Set CPU cores to 2 or 4, depending on your PC. Avoid maxing this out. Too many cores can cause uneven frame pacing. For RAM, 4 to 6 gigabytes is the smoothest range for reducing microstutter. Now set a frame rate limit. Choose 60 frames per second. Unlimited frames per second often causes tiny frame time spikes, which is exactly what microstutter feels like. Next, check the graphics rendering mode. If it's on OpenGL, switch to DirectX. If it's on DirectX already, test OpenGL. Microstutter often comes from unstable rendering paths, so yeah, test both. Set resolution to 720p or 900p. Set DPI around 240. Higher resolution increases frame time spikes, which makes microstutter more noticeable. Scroll down and turn off anti-aliasing, high-quality rendering, and extra visual effects. These settings often don't cause big lag, but they do cause tiny stutters, especially during movement. Finally, make sure virtualization is enabled on your PC. Without it, LDPlayer relies more on raw CPU scheduling, which causes inconsistent frame timing. And that's it. After these changes, LDPlayer should feel consistently smooth without those tiny annoying stutters. If this helped, save it, and yeah, check out the other LDPlayer performance guides on the channel. See you next time.